Everybody out there in YouTube land, this is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope that all is well with everyone. Hope everyone is having a great day. And if you're not, just hold on and hang in there. Things will get better. And when I say better, it will be better because you have more understanding and more knowledge of a situation, and not the situation may not change, but you may change and how you see that situation and be able to maneuver yourself in or out of it. All right, so yeah, so I'm still here encouraging us to live a victorious life in Christ Jesus, and that means so many things. So many wonderful things, so many things that are contrary to what we've been told and or taught. But I just wanted to show us, I've been doing my spring seed starting, my early indoor seed starting. I did some in January, and I did some, January, I did some this month in February, and I did some, okay, the ones I did in November are, I think, I don't know if I showed you guys, but I'll show you guys the ones that I've done in November. Some of them have died because of, I don't know what happened. But nonetheless, let me get to this video. So I went to Walmart for something and noticed they had their seeds out. So I picked up this mammoth deal. I love, oh my goodness, I love the deal and the smell of deal. These were $1.44, I guess. I want to say they were $1.29 for some reason. But anyway, $1.44. So I got deal. I got more chives garlic because I only had one of those. And I like the chives garlic. And I got tarragon, because I've never had tarragon, and I'm really trying to get my herb garden game together. My herb gardens, they keep, I don't know what I do, but I'm still working on it. So I got some marjoram, and I got some more peas, some melting sugar snow peas. I love snow peas, and they're so good in different dishes and whatnot. So I got snow peas. I got those from Walmart. Prior to going to Walmart, I placed this order too. And thank you all who gave me this bug. So I have anise, and this smells so good. So I have some anise, chicory, and this chicory is so pretty. And then I have some wildflower, forever pink scatter, and there's like the picture of there's going to be a lot of pink flowers, and I think I got this for a friend mail or random act of kindness or love mail. This is which tomato is this? Oh, this is the brandy wine. So this is the brandy wine because I only have two yellow tomatoes. I have that yellow plum, I think, and I think I have something else that's yellow. But anyway, I got this brandy wine. I have so many tomatoes because I have so many plans for tomatoes for this year and next year. Then I have a wildflower. This is a fragrant flower mix. So it's got a bunch of fragrant flowers in it. Then I have beans. I ate a lot of beans and didn't even, well, I did have some beans, but not necessarily the beans that I really eat. I need to find those because those are the ones that I want, because there's a lot of different beans that I eat. Those are the ones I want to begin to grow so that I can dry and put away for myself. So these are, I think what it says, I don't have my glasses on, guys, so looks like borlati or something, but anyway, it's a red like bean, pole bean. No, it's a bush bean. And you see them, they look like pintos. Then I have, I need to go put my glasses on. This is alfalfa sprout. I used to love to eat me some alfalfa sprout, but I wanted to see how this would grow, and you know, because it's a quick harvest. You know, you can plant it, sow it, and be harvested it almost in the same week. Not that quick, but anyway, so I got these firecracker peppers. These are those colorful ones like that. Oh, sorry, it's not really focusing. Sorry about the tiny pictures. Then I have more beans. It's a pole bean. This is a rattlesnake bean, which is also kind of similar to a pinto, I guess. I just wanted to taste them and see how close they are to pintos, actually. Then leek. Got some leeks. American flag. Looks like I got some chard. Yep, Swiss chard. This is the magenta sunset, so it's the pinkish hue versus the red. Then I have another pepper, but this one is the bird's eye, which is more like a Thai-ish pepper, because I wanted some Thai peppers, but not necessarily. And then I got some blueberry. I'm saving now, so I've been saving a lot of seeds also from our food. So I have some strawberry, because they were out when I ordered this. They were out of their strawberry, so I just start saving my own strawberry seeds. Hopefully those will be able to germinate and give me a good harvest. So I got the blueberry. Love blueberries. Because I want an orchard. I want to get my vineyard and my orchard, as well as my produce or vegetable garden going. So I want to do fruits and vegetables and some tropical trees and things like that. So anyway, I got some bok choy. Love bok choy. Cabbage. Got some kohlrabi. Never had this before ever in my life, but I hear Miss Linda over at the New England, in New England, I don't know why I always say that, but anyway, the New Orleans gardener, she loves kohlrabi. She grows kohlrabi as well. So I got this one. They have red and white and different ones, but this one was the cheapest, so I went with the blue. Yes, yes. So I got this eggplant. I got sprouts, rainbow sprouts chard. Can't wait to try that. I got two of those. One is going in a friend mail. Yep. Oh, I got three of them, I think. And then this was free. This was a tigrella or something. Another type of tomato. This is tigrella. Anyway, I can't see it. It's not focusing, and I'm sorry. So I got a poblano peppers. Let me see what this is. So yeah, tigerella. It's a tigerella, it's called. Then I have, let me hurry up. I got some okra. Sorry to get the red okra, but I went on and got this Everest green, emerald green. Then I got some purple broccoli. Got some early purple broccoli. Then I went to home Habitat for ReStore, Habitat for Humanity, quickly, and I got some blood meal. I wanted to get some of this last year when I was at Walmart, and I didn't. So I just said, let me just pick that up while I'm here. Give me a minute. Let me see. Then I picked up 3 of these, and I'm so glad because I had actually I because I had we had croissants the other day, so I was going to use that croissant container to start my this croissant container, because it has a top, to start my little greenhouse, to start some of my what do you call sprouts. I want to start my sprouts in those, but then I saw these at just a minute, sorry, they were turned around. So I saw these at Habitat for at ReStore also. So I said, okay, let me get these. But then they, so I said, oh, this will be perfect, because I was trying to put together a friend mail for somebody anyway that I wanted to encourage to start growing their own. So this is a three-piecer, and I've been kind of wanting to do this because people, been talking about it and whatnot. And then it's the bottom feeding watering system, because I use the egg cartons, but I would have wanted to get one of these, but I didn't want to invest too much in it per se. And then so I got 3 of them. These one is, I think they're all about the same people, but they're different, and then they all had different prices on it. But of course I got them for the cheapest. One said $3, one said $2.50, and then the other one said $2.25. So they, of course, they gave them all to me at the same low price of $2.25. Yep. So yeah, I just want to show you that. And this is 72 seed sales, all of them. So I thought that was really good. So that is what I have for my latest seed haul or indoor garden haul. So I'll be showing you pretty soon the seeds that I started already in the house. And things of that nature. So, yeah, but I've been doing pretty good. So, anyway, be blessed. And like I said before, I want to encourage you to live a victorious life in Christ Jesus. And also, grow your own garden. It could be very, very small, but start growing something of, in your own place. No matter how small your life or your house or home is, start something and start somewhere. So God bless. Have a wonderful day. This is your girl, Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.